What's good, Silver Gang? Back here with another reaction video. Today we're going to be reacting to Royal Rumble featuring Yachty, Krispylife, Kid, RMC, Mike, Babyface, Ray, RioDa, Young OG, and DC2Trill, Icewear, Vezzo, a whole lot of people, man. I just seen, it was recommended to me. It says AMD Visuals. I have no idea who this dude is. So, it could be, you know what I'm saying? They're in the video, so this must be a real song, I think. We're gonna go ahead and react to it, man. Let's see what's going on.
Silver Gang, we finna blow out, yeah. Silver Gang, we finna close out, yeah.
Who the hell is Carlo?
Fucking with these bitch ass outsiders, man. Fuck 'em. Look. Lou put up on me, so we pulled up a Kobe Bryant, stacked up on my empty walk pints.
Okay, my nigga like Yachty came on spitting.
Look. Lou put up on me, so we pulled up a Kobe Bryant, stacked up on my empty walk pints. Taller than a giant, almost didn't graduate school. I was so defiant, boy, this hair, I think me and my bitch finna hit Miami. Damn, dog, I'm in Miami, I'm tongue twisted, keep my gun lifted, just to be specific. 10 milli bullets, ain't no running from a nigga slug. Cleaning sessions with my gun, the only time I talk judge. Fuck a bitch I saw on TV, but it's not the grudge. Niggas so tough in them skinnies, button by the bus. Glock ain't got no silencer, but I call this bitch a silencer. Cause when I shoot this bitch, it's this nigga. Bet this nigga hush, better pull up in that guinea, yeah. Cycle ass zucchini. Why the fuck a broke bitch, my bitch been AM. Off a bikini, shit. Smoking a nigga like hickory, pull a F and I back in no trickery.
Done wearing the big D's. I pull the J's out, snatch a bitch wig off like, pull your fade out.
Everybody taking this nigga flow, that YNJ flow, man.
Done wearing the big D's. I pull the J's out, snatch a bitch wig off like, pull your fade out. Retired from the K, I run phase now. And raw dodge your baby mama, what you gon' say now? From Flint, if the water make it bad, it can get ugly. 12 o'clock, my trap rush hour. Ask for Chris Tucker, shot dog trying to take a shot. I'm a fifth buster, you don't never get props. You a dick sucker. How the fuck you gon' keep sliding and not hit nothing? If a nigga in the radius, I'ma flip something. My bitch got her OnlyFans, I get a tenth of it. I'm a pimp, I fucked her.
My bitch got her OnlyFans.
I'ma flip something. My bitch got her OnlyFans. I get a tenth of it. I'm a pimp, I fucked her. And like 6 cousins. Drinking lean for 10 years to cause on my big stomach. Pop you with a gun inside a gun. They got a kid on. That bitch was all gold with a sandpaper grip on. Girlie say she knew I could fuck from gun. They got a kid on. That bitch was all gold with a sandpaper grip on. Girlie say she knew I could fuck from the hip motion. 60 racks for my new kid, look like I'm moving up. Don't drive fast, coming down my block, I might shoot it up. Put a whole gram on the table, watch unhoot it up. They say I been acting real stiff, it's time to loosen up. Niggas out here drinking cut lead, trying to act high. Nigga, you be coming off the bench, I'm the franchise. Fell in love with a blazing bitch, she got cat eyes. Me, Yachty, Ray, Kid, and Rio, the Fab Five.
All my niggas in the street don't know no rap guys. Holy water from my jeweler, I got
Niggas just coming on spitting and shit.
Fell in love with a blazing bitch, she got cat eyes. Me, Yachty, Ray, Kid, and Rio, the Fab Five.
all my niggas in the street don't know no rap guys. Holy water from my jeweler, I got baptized. F's on my hip, I got F's on my hat now. Fear God, demons on the chalice, sit a scat down. My son got a bankroll bigger than niggas. Nigga playing crazy, put his ass in a blender. Blink gang crazy, take a half to a chicken. We are not the same, this Dior on my dick, codeine cowboy. Ass around, lot of noise. Drago in the whip, ride with me, I'm a chopper boy. Purple in my cup, juice dancing, bitch, I'm block boy. Nigga reach for my shit, get popped.
I ain't with tears, but I ain't throwing heads. I'm a Glock boy.
Okay, my nigga's in here.
Nigga reach for my
That's
shit,
why they
get
got the flow going.
But I ain't throwing heads, I'm a Glock boy. The first thing I ever bought my son was a Glock 12. Riding in a rental with 3 cats, he a high Michael Jordan, Glock 23 with 22, the other Glock Curry. That's how the cat sound. Mike got the Glock in the club, but they ain't patting down. I'm with the drink guy, he could possibly pull some act. I'm on the south side with an apostrophe in the crack house. $1,800 bag, pull a
With an apostrophe in the crack house.
Pull some act. I'm on the south side with an apostrophe in the crack house. $1,800 bag, pull a Glock out. You say you a real drinker, pull some snot out. 2Ks laying on the couch, I put the Glock out. Bitch bent over trying to tie shoes, pull my cock out. Used to have a standard clip, I got a mop now. Shit, gang, what we pouring? I got a pop now. Nigga, put the gun down and get knocked out. Seen the ops at the store, hopped out a drop top with chop out. My big homie got a couple keys, we can't get locked out. Everybody know you really a bitch, put that Glock down. Nigga came as the shooter, but he got shot down.
QC, I never seen this nigga before.
Everybody know you really a bitch, put that Glock down. Nigga came as the shooter, but he got shot down. Ever since the cash came legit, I'm buying ops now. Nigga shook his drink up, it made the pop sound. The lean plug finna retire, I need a doc now. Hop about the car and bang bang like he pops now. 3-5 finna grab a leaf, this ain't no cigar. Pull up in my hood, fresh as hell like a trap star. All a nigga do is talk fibs, he a cap star. Nigga can't tell me shit about no drink, I done drunk bar.
Yeah, scurvy nigga with the pints, I cut raw. And trustworthy, I can get a plug cause I run off. 30 hanging out the Glock, I up hard me 29 shot.
This was just like a whole, like, let's just get up on this shit freestyle. We're going to split it all up, and then we're going to go shoot the video in the parking lot. They're probably right outside the studio. This shit all happened one day.
These rubies. Got canary yellow diamonds, rubies. Yeah. Big O. I brought them out just to be seen. They never seen Detroit.
Hey, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, what you thought. I didn't even know Lil Yachty was fucking with these niggas like that. I'm going to have to react to this one, too. But I'm going to see y'all in the next one, man. Peace up. Peace out. Hit that like button on the way out. You already know.
Super gang, we finna blow out, yeah. Super gang, we finna close out, yeah. Super gang, yeah, we finna blow out, yeah. Super gang, yeah, we finna close out, yeah. Making all these YouTube videos, yeah. You already know that we going hard, yeah.